when we kind of talk about planning, definitely all of the things I talked about in the digital audit, and specifically the data-driven piece, that data-driven element, data could be used through every phase and should be used through every phase, as well as the workflow should obviously be required. And so when we start talking about it, it's making sure that it's clear, it's evident, sitting down and really having a streamlined approach to make sure these things are all, like I said, interwoven together. And some of the things that, again, we've identified as a company and really think that opens the door to be progressive and allow for this is what you're seeing here on screen. A, making sure that it's consistent, it looks and feels and has a clear approach, not only for the new intern on the engagement, but all the way up to the lead and kind of responsible engagement leader or partner, making sure that everybody's seeing the same thing. Maybe they use the screens a little bit differently, but again, it looks and feels the same for everyone. Also really making sure that we're streamlining, getting rid of redundant work, areas where they're almost form-centric. Let's turn those into areas where we can document and refine and mine, and as well as really focusing on risk assessment. That's one of the biggest pieces and biggest elements that we're going to show you here in just a little bit, of really saying, yes, let's get that data early, but let's use it to our advantage, right? Let's not just use it once and kind of put it away. And then on the back end of that, folding that into the workflow of truly performing an engagement, right? So it stitches into not only the methodology of what procedures or what work you need to perform, but let's do it in a really streamlined, smart way so that when it's being completed, it can be reviewed, it's easily accessible. So again, everybody's kind of in there on demand.